Friends, hello everyone. I found a short video. I found this power supply unit, supposedly. So these are its characteristics. How much 2 amperes and 5 volts it gives is written here. But along this edge, if you tap with a rubber hammer or something soft, polyurethane, for example, this is how it opens. Oops, it jumped out. It doesn't want to come off. It was embarrassed. And what do we see? We see this is something glued to our tape. Look, we have a piece of iron glued to the lid for. So to speak, giving it additional weight. That's the kind of thing. So, and then we pull out. The microcircuit itself. I'll bring it closer now, so as not to reach for the camera. This is the kind of microcircuit you can see here. All sorts of SMD resistors, and from this side here is the picture. Volts. So in general here is some kind of capacitor for 470 microfarads. How many volts is unknown, but if you put probably volts at the output. At the input, there is some kind of incomprehensible capacitor. The thing is that this circuit you see there are no wires it contacts with these pads. They are inserted, you see, and inside, and with these contacts they contact this thing. That's how it is so-called original power supplies are sold to us in stores. This, of course, was bought a long time ago. Probably how much can 2 or 3 years ago, not in China. This is already with us. It's been lying around with me for now. The video will go to the playlist. Let's see what's inside, but here we looked at the supposedly original. Also, if you look at the text-to-light, it is crooked, but these are already trifles. Well, all this is such an introductory video, so damn of course. With some kind of loading device. At least run it for 5 minutes and see tactily if it heats up a lot. At maximum power consumption, then you should refuse to buy this device. Well, that was Vyacheslav. Let's say goodbye to everyone. See you soon.